welcome to Philippine Airlines. I'm Teacher Mark from SDO. Romas.
From the secret capital of the Philippines, Division of Capiz.
Education is for all regardless of disability. Everyone belongs. At naniniwala rin ako sa kasabihan, anin mo ang taong magaling, matalino, kung sa pagturo, kung palagi naman absent. Hindi ako yun.
Thank you so much, Kevin. Number 4.
Yan, ma'am.
Ang pinili talaga na Jack. E.
Ma'am.
Gusto mo isang language ka rin ni ma'am? Hindi ka naman tawa ni mga Dr. Alvin. 2, 3. Okay, so how do you feel tonight? I feel sexy. How about you, partner?
I feel like a celebrity because everyone's phone are focusing on us. Kaya di mga vlogger, viral ako da monetization. And also, as a receiving teacher, I am expecting that one of my LSEN student or people in my class to be included fully in the classroom setting, so that everyone has the opportunity to be included.
To be.
That means we can live inclusive environment.
Yes, I support your advocacy now. I 100% support your advocacy. If you can, I can also fight for inclusion because the ability is not measured by the disability. Because in a true inclusive Philippines, if
Na-feel ko na ang artista yan.
we can do it in our classroom, if we can bring it in our classroom, then, therefore, our learners can do also. We stand.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can.
Naman na,
Ayan.